Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, Meet Prep for Biology by EJ. Today we will discuss previous year question. This question are very much important, so go through this question. I hope your preparations are going well. So here start our questions. Question 1. Which of the following statement is wrong? A. Algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the intermediate environment. B. Algin is obtained from red algae and coragonum from brown algae. C. Agar-agar is obtained from Gliadium and Gracilea. D. Laminaria and Sargassum are used as food. Which one of the following statement is wrong? The answer for this question is B, that is algin is obtained from red algae and coragonum from brown algae. Question 2. Select the correct mismatching in the following pairs. A. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of lipid. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of glycogen. C. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, oxidation of fatty acid. D. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, oxidation of phospholipid. Select the correct matching in the following pairs. The answer for this question is A, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is synthesis of lipid. Question 3. Which one of the following is correctly matched? A. Passive transport of nutrients, that is ATP. B. Apoplast, that is plasmodesmata. C. Plasmodium, readily immobilization. D. Bacon of rice seedling, that is F-SUG. Which of the following is correctly matched? The answer for this question is C, that is potassium, that is readily immobilization. Question 4. In the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by the A. Parietal cells, B. Peptic cells, C. Acidic cells, D. Gastrin secreting cells. In the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by the answer for this question is A, that is parietal cells. Question 5th. Name the ion responsible for unmasking of active site of myosin for cross-binding activity during muscle contraction. A. Calcium, B. Magnesium, C. Sodium, D. Potassium. Name the ion responsible for unmasking of active site of myosin from cross-bridge activity during muscle contraction. The answer for this question is A, that is calcium. Question 6. Which one of the following generate new genetic combination leading to variation? A. Vegetative reproduction, B. Parthenogenesis, C. Sexual reproduction, D. Nucellular polyembryony. Which one of the following generation new genetic combination leading to variation? The answer for this question is C, that is sexual reproduction. Question 7. Pick out the correct statement. Here the statement first is hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. Second, Down syndrome is due to aneuploidy. Third, phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive gene disorder. Fourth, sickle cell anemia is an X-linked recessive gene disorder. Pick out the correct statement. A is second and fourth. B is first, second and fourth. C is first, second and third. D is first and fourth. Pick out the correct statement. The answer for this question is C, that is first, second and third are correct statement. Question 8. Which of the following structure is homologous to the wing of a bird? A. Wing of a moth. B. Hind limb of rabbit. C. Flipper of whale. D. Dorsal fin of shark. Which of the following structure is homologous to the wing of a bird? The answer for this question is C, that is flipper of whale. Question 9. Among the following edible fishes, which one is the marine fish having rich source of omega-3 fatty acid? A. Myastus. B. Maggot. C. Marigala. D. Mackerel. Among the following edible fishes, which one is the marine fish having rich source of omega-3 fatty acid? The answer for this question is D, that is mackerel. Question 10. During sewage treatment, biogases are produced which include A. Methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. B. Methane, oxygen and hydrogen sulfide. C. Hydrogen sulfide, methane, and sulfur dioxide. D. Hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, and methane. During sewage treatment, biogases are produced, which include. The answer for this question is A, that is methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prefer Biology. Please do share this video with your friends and relatives so that more and more can gain knowledge from this video. Please go through the previous video questions. And thank you friends. Keep smiling. Bye bye.